Welcome to the Shady place. In this episode, we spend the day at Lake Havasu, cross the border into California, and do some boondocking in the Mojave Desert. I'm Shea, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Thoretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Good morning. So we ended up driving last night to, how do you pronounce where we're at right now?
Lake Havasu City. We're on BLM
Havasu
land.
City, that's it, yeah. We actually needed to get some stuff. We need to get some food, some gas, all of the RV to do. So we decided to stay at a Walmart last night, but we actually got kicked out by the security parking lot. We've been traveling, like 4 months? Maybe 3 months now? 4 months now, and we have not got kicked out of a parking lot. So last night was the first night out of all of those 4 months of boondocking in parking lots.
And I was in my underwear, and I opened the door up, and the guy, I could see him, look down at my legs, and then he started stuttering, his words and stuff. He was getting nervous. It was kind of funny.
And Shay's just yep, in his underwear. Oh my god.
Yeah, but he was real nice. He just told
nice.
us that we couldn't stay there.
Yeah.
Then he told us about the BLM land about 5 miles down the road.
Yeah.
He was nice.
He was nice. But that was pretty funny, honey. This whole area is surrounded by mountains, and, when you're driving at night, you can't see but, a couple yards in front of you. So, very beautiful in the morning. Now we're gonna head to the Walmart and get our RV to-dos done. So we still gotta do a couple more things. We got finished up with our Walmart run, but we saw Lake Havasu for the first time driving into Walmart, and it is beautiful. The water is so blue. So after we get done with our errands, I think we're going to take a little drive-by. We're going to go over the London Bridge. Apparently, it's an actual bridge that was transported here from London. And yeah, we'll do a little drive-by over the bridge and see the lake. That sounds fun.
Cool.
Yeah, we made it, and the water is so blue and pretty. Apparently the Colorado River runs through this lake, so maybe that's why it's all blue, because all the minerals. I'm not sure, I have no idea. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get out and kind of explore the area, and I don't know, depending on what the water feels like, we might take a dip. What do you think, honey?
Yeah.
You liking it, Rusty? This is great. It's very nice. It cools you off. Man, I can see how this is a good summer spot for the locals out here for sure, man. I'm free. It's very clear too. Look at this. You can see my Crocs. Oh, feels amazing. Someone's getting in. Stripping down. Woo! How's it feel?
Feels good out. It was a little chilly at first.
Yeah, you gotta get used to it for sure, but it's very refreshing.
What you doing, dog? Hanging out at Lake Havasu? Alright, I got the paddleboard pulled out. I'm gonna pump her up, get a little workout in.
I don't think Rusty is allowed on this paddleboard trip. I think he's grounded from the Rio Grande. He's gotten pretty far, look at this. Yes. Hi. Over there somewhere. So how was it, Captain?
Very nice. It was a little bumpy from all the boats.
Yeah. Shea, you gotta be careful, honey.
Yeah, there wasn't too many of them.
Glad you had a good time.
Might let Rusty back on.
Are you done for being grounded? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. That was not his fault. He was innocent in that one. Rusty's had enough fun in the sun. He's hiding back there in that little shaded spot. You built yourself a little hole, huh? So that sums up our little day here at this beautiful lake. It was a beautiful day. We just kind of wanted to do a drive-by. We ended up having a nice little lake life day. It was great. But we got her all packed up now, and Shea is brushing off Rusty because he is sandy. And I think we're gonna go ahead and head back to the same spot that we were last night. It was actually pretty easy to see in the dark. You just pull on up and find a spot. It was actually really nice. Good morning. So we just left Lone Tree at BLM land. I'm the co-captain. Got my captain right there. No, Shea is he's in there getting gas. So we're gonna be heading out. We're gonna go ahead and leave Lake Havasu. We're gonna be headed to the Mojave Desert. So we got her all set up. We got camp all set up as well. Shea did a great job this go around. So the sun sets over that mountain there, so we don't really get a good sunset. But over here, the moon like pops up right there as it rises. So it makes a really cool moonrise. I'm searching for the light, I'm searching for the light. Oh, where's the light? Where's the light?
All right, on to the mountain we go. We're gonna go hike up these little boulders over here and then go up to this little flat area up there.
I think Rusty and I are gonna take a more easier route. you go. There you go, buddy. Good job, baby.
Yeah, you big baby. It almost like marks on the rock like chalk does.
Oh my god, it does! Nice! They look like moon rocks.
Very porous. So Katie wants to keep hiking up the mountain, and Rusty keeps getting thorns in his paws, so I'm back at the RV. I'm gonna drop Rusty off here, and then we're gonna go up farther up towards the mountain. Yep, you gotta stay back here, buddy. You'd be safer. Come on.
Let's hike to the top of the mountain.
All the way up there?
Yeah.
I don't think you're gonna make it up there.
I think this drops off, honey. I don't think we're gonna be able to make it to that top one. Look at me! I'm like, go!
I'm gonna walk up on this little cliff right here. See if Katie can get a picture of me. I think we are gonna start heading back down.
So we just got back from a wonderful hike up the mountain, and as we're walking back to Thoretta, we notice Rusty's head is like poking out of the bedroom window.
So the little screen that's over here. Should have filmed it, but I was a little too pissed off to film.
Me too. Me too.
But yeah, there's a screen that goes right here, and we had the window open, so, and he poked his head right through the screen, and it was broken right along these edges here. So I got the screen out, and I had to put some silicone all over that edge there, but I think it'll be fine. And I'm sure they probably sell these little window screens everywhere. So.
Yeah.
I was just standing back here hanging out, and I happened to look over at the motorcycle, and this strap right here was loose. It came off, and what happened was this little hook is supposed to be like that, and that's where the strap comes down and hooks on there, but the thing broke. It just snapped right off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drill a hole down here in the bottom so that I can hook the strap back up. go. It works fine. Think, Rusty? All right, we got Thorette all packed up. We're about to head to Joshua Tree. It's about an hour and a half from here. So we're gonna explore around there for the day and then probably stay somewhere around that area and get some laundry done. Have a good one.